Hello students, let us try to understand the 45 most important question from the polymers chemistry that I have selected from the Excel academic where success is predefined. So question number 1, you see student what they are saying, polymerization of hexamethylene diamine. Okay, so ENE, hexamethylene diamine with adipic acids produced what nylon 66. So hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid is nylon 66. So here you see student 6 carbon are there and 2 amine group are there, and this is adipic acid are there students. So it will give that is nylon 66. Okay, that you have to memorize student. Among the following natural polymers are, which is natural polymers? So that is starch, natural polymers, rubber. Okay, and next cellulose acetate, and this one is polythene. So polythene is, that is the polythene is artificials. Okay, so it is not the answers. Okay, rubber is students, rubber are two types of rubbers are there, but okay, but this rubber, natural rubber will be, no, this will be the natural. So starch and natural. Cellulose acetate is not, because acetate is added chemical. Only cellulose is there, it means that is natural. So A, B are correct. Correct option will be option number 2. So natural polymers are starch and rubber. Bakelite, if you talk about, it is cross-linked polymer student. Bakelite is a highly cross-linked polymers. So bakelite is cross-linked polymer. So option number 4 is correct. Buna S rubber is copolymers in which monomeric units are, that is monomeric units are, Buna, for Buna S we are talking about. So that is 1,3-butadiene and styrenes. 1,3-butadiene and styrenes are the monomeric unit of Buna S. Okay, so Buna S is copolymers of 1,3-butadiene and styrene. Identify monomers of neoprene. So neoprene means isoprene. Okay, so polymers of the neoprene is isoprene. So here is that is, you can see students how much, 1 2 3 4. So that is 2 chloro buta 1,3-diene is also known as isoprene. This isoprene is polymers of neoprene. So this is our answers. Next one, in the polymerization of ethylene, benzoyl peroxide is used to initiate the chain initiator. Peroxide always used to initiate the chain students, that you have to keep in mind, chain initiators. Okay, next one, mechanism, if you see students, now you see the problem number 7 student, what they are saying, mechanism involved in the polymerization of LDP, low density polythene. So polythene is always, that is free radical mechanism student. So free radical addition mechanism. So option number 2 is correct student. LDP is prepared by low density polythene, is prepared by free radical addition polymerization. Teflon is stable up to, they are saying Teflon is stable up to 250 degrees Celsius. So that is what is the Teflon is stable up to 250 degree Celsius, that we have to keep in mind students. Okay, let us see students. One second, question number was there 9. So where is the question number 9? Teflon is stable up to 250 degrees Celsius. Now that is, here is the addition of HCN is there with ethine to give A. Again that is going to be polymerized to giving B. So there is what the compound you are going to get student. So with one hydrogen, one CH, that is H will go, another will, this much will go. So that is, it is CH2 double bond CHCN. Okay, so if it is N molecule you are taking student, so it will be CH2, here is N time single bond CH, and here is what will come student, here is Cn will come, and here is single bond like that, so it will be n time. So you can check out, student, which is correct answer. This is wrong, okay, and here this is wrong, okay. So which is correct one, student? This one, CH2 CHCN. So this is our answer, option number 3rd, student. Very easy. Benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid is interacted. Benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid is interacted with ethylene glycol and polymerized to produced, okay. So they are saying benzene 1,4, this is benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid is interacted with ethylene glycol and polymerized to produce Dacron, polymerized to produce Dacron, okay. So this is the alcohol, and that is benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid, so it is giving the Dacron, student. So always keep in mind that is ethylene glycol and benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid will give Dacron. Nylon 6,6 is a copolymer and polyester, okay. So no, not polyester, it is the polyamide, student. Copolymer and polyamide. So option 1 and 3rd is correct, that is 4. Nylon 6 is a step both linear copolymers of adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine, and it is polyamides also. Next one, melamine polymers is obtained by polymerization of melamine and formaldehyde, okay, melamine and formaldehyde, okay. So melamine formaldehyde is giving melamine formaldehyde polymer. Which of the following is mismatch? PVC is thermoplastic polymers, that is correct one. Bakelite is thermosetting polymer. Buna and rubber is fiber, this is wrong, student. This is the wrong. Teflon is chain growth polymer, that is correct. So our required answer is option number 3rd, because Buna N is elastomer, not a fiber. Now synthetic rubber are, question number 14, they are saying synthetic rubbers are copolymers of 1,3-butadiene derivative, okay. Synthetic rubber are copolymer of 1,3-butadiene derivative. So this is our required answer, student. That is synthetic rubber. If you talk about, dear student, so synthetic rubber is copolymer of 1,3-butadiene derivatives. Now Buna N, Buna S are synthetic rubbers. These are copolymers of 1,3-butadiene derivative, and neoprene is copolymer of 1,3-butadiene. So here is this one, C double bond CH2 and NH is there. It is what is caprolactam, okay, caprolactam. Now students, this one is there, the group, okay, and they are asking as monomer units. So here is 6 hexamethylene diamine is there, students, and that is adipic acid. This is CH4, you can put out. So or it is given CH8. So this is what is, that is, this is option number A itself is correct, student. Option number A itself is correct. The monomeric repeated unit of nylon 6 is adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. So this one is the not correct. Okay, this is the correct, student. Option number 2 itself is correct. This one you can check it out. This is the NH3 C2H5 C double bond O. This is polymerization. They are talking about nylon 6 from the caprolactam. This will give. Which of the following are the polymers? Riboflavin? No. Nucleic acid is a polymer, student. Nucleic acid is long chain compound. This is the polymers. Nucleic acids are polymers in individual nucleoside of monomers. So whether DNA, RNA, these all are the polymer. The synthetic polymer resembling natural rubber is neoprene. Neoprene is synthetic polymers resembling natural rubber. Synthetic polymers resemble natural rubber is neoprene. It is made from the monomeric chloroprene. Which of the following has 3D molecules with cross-linked thermosetting plastic? Which of the following has 3D molecules with cross-link, that is thermosetting plastic? Okay, so option number 2 is correct. Thermosetting plastic consists of chain of the molecule which are cross-linked with each other. The correct statement about vulcanization of rubber is, the correct statement about vulcanization is various part of polymers backbones linked through SS linkage. Okay, so SS link are formed during the vulcanization. Here is the this is oxime is there, NOH, it is treated with H2SO4, it is giving A, which on reaction with 540 Kelvin it will give nylon 6. So it will give, firstly it will give caprolactam on reaction with H2SO4, and which on 540 Kelvin it will give the nylon 6. So this is next compound is there, students. Okay, 1 2 3 4, so 2 methyl, okay, 1,3-diene, that is a repeating unit of natural rubber, is natural. So 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene is the repeating unit of natural rubber. Among the following, the one different from of other. Among the following, the one different from other is PTFE, Dacron. Okay, PTFE is the different monomer tetrafluoroethane, monomer tetrafluoroethane homopolymers. This is wrong. Okay, Glaptal is there, Dacron is there, nylon 6. They are the all is having the copolymers. Dacron is ethylene glycol, okay, and terephthalic acid copolymer. Glaptal is ethylene glycol, phthalic acid. Nylon 6 is ethylene diamine and adipic acid. So they all are copolymer. Melamine is, that is 2,4,6 triamino 1,3,5 triazine. Okay, so this is what the melamine, formula of melamine. The type of intermolecular force between the adjacent chain in the natural rubber. Okay, this is what van der Waals force is. The type of intermolecular force between the adjacent chain in natural rubber is van der Waals forces. So natural rubber is the hydrocarbon and has the weakest intermolecular force of attraction, that is van der Waals force of attraction. Incorrect statement about polymerization of ethene is, incorrect statement about polymerization of ethene is, it is polymerization is endothermic process. Actually the polymerization is always exothermic process, but it is looking like that it is the given is endothermic, so this is wrong. So incorrect statement is option number 1. Molecular weight increases during chain growth, polypropagation, correct. Peroxide is used as an initiator, correct. All of the above, this is wrong. So that is our required answer is option number 1. Polymerization of ethene is exothermic process. Next one, linear polymerization. Linear polymers are condensation polymers, addition polymers, cross-link polymers, or both 1 and 2. Okay, so our required answer is linear polymers are condensation polymers and addition polymers. So option number 4 is correct, student. Linear polymers are both addition and condensation. The polymer used in paint is, the polymer used in paint is Glaptal. Glaptal. So Glaptal is used in a manufacturing of paints and lacquers. The strong CF bond in Teflon results. The strong CF bond in Teflon results what? High thermal stability. The strong CF bond in Teflon results high thermal stability. In Teflon, the strong CF bond results the high thermal stability. In Teflon, the strong CF bond results the high thermal stability. Okay, so our required answer is option number 1. The correct increasing order of intermolecular forces is which one? Buna-S, then polythene, then nylon 6,6. So elastomer, thermoplastic and fibers. Buna-S and Buna-N both are copolymers, however can be distinguished by 1 and 2. Buna-S 1,3-butadiene plus styrene, and Buna-N is 1,3-butadiene plus acrylonitrile. So 1 and 2 are correct, means option number 4 is required answer. aminocaproic acid is that is NH2CH2 5COOH. This is aminocaproic acid. Which of the following is biodegradable polymers? That is PHBV, okay, PHBV and nylon 2, nylon 6. These are the biodegradable polymers. This is direct NCERT question, student. The monomers used in the manufacturing of laminated sheets is this is the urea and formaldehyde resins. They are used, the in the laminated sheets. So urea per formaldehyde resin used for making laminated sheets and also unbreakable cups. PHB is prepared from the copolymerization of 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. So that is option number 1. PHBB monomers are 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. Bristles of brushes are made up of nylon 66. Bristles of brushes are made up of nylon 66. So nylon 66 used in making bristles of brushes. Which of the following is copolymers? So nylon 66 is copolymers. Two different monomers unit present in nylon 66, so it is copolymers. Which of the following polymers can be used for lubrication and as an insulator? That is PTFE, polytetrafluoroethene is lubrication. Now vulcanization of rubbers resist wear and tear due to friction. Because of presence of sulfur and additives like ZNO, the vulcanized rubber resist wear and tear due to friction. Wool is a polyamides. Wool and silk are two naturally occurring polyamides. Which of the following can be remelted time? And again without producing any change? Which of the following can be remelted time and again without producing any change? So option is thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic. So thermoplastics can be remelted and again without producing any change. Next one. Thermoplastics polymers are those which retain their original configuration or remelting and again. The monomer of the following polymers are. So CH3 3 times are there. Again CH3 3 times are there. So option number this one. CH2C, CH3 twice. The polymers which has nitrogen is nylon. Okay, nylon is polyamides and hence contain nitrogen. Which of the following are example of thermoplastic? So PVC, PMMA and polystyrenes are example of thermoplastics. So these were all the 45 questions from the polymer chemistry student. Thank you so much for watching.